Professor White has created an analog computer that builds a virtual world that follows the laws of real physics. However, the simulated world can only present pixel-level picture quality. The people inside don't know that they are just simulated products. The crowd begins to wonder, could we be simulated too? As more and more coincidences appear, Perfwhite is forced to waver, but in order to save money on electricity, Perfwhite plans to shut down the simulator. Everyone begins to feel uneasy about this decision. Its limited world has full consciousness emotions. Its life, it can't be given up at will. In the end, the group decides to keep the simulator in order to keep the power on. They install a turbine power plant in the sewers under the company. As the energy source increases, the image quality becomes clearer. Bender sees them as his own kind, but more advanced, and even begins to question what reality. To everyone's surprise, Professor White in the virtual world also began to conduct research on the more virtual world. This development is like a Russian nesting doll. People are even more confused about their own situation. People in the simulation world began to wonder, are you a simulation of a higher level? Amy in the simulation world suggests a way to verify this. To artificially create an event that would disable the computers, they chose a beam magnetic collapse, which almost never happens, which cannot even be simulated by the computers. The real-life Professor White realizes the danger. If they realize they're being simulated, then their world could collapse. Bender, a mechanical program, decides to enter the simulated universe to stop their destruction.